Bright yellow corns, when added to any recipe, work to enhance taste, color and overall richness. And today I will show you how to fry corn-infused batter into crispy, delicious pakoras. I'm going to start with mixing all the ingredients for the batter. I have some boiled and half-churned corn over here, finely chopped onions, finely chopped fenugreek leaves, fresh grated coconut. It's optional, so if you have some handy, you can always add some. Some coriander-cumin seed powder, pinch of turmeric powder, red chili powder, some chaat masala, some amchur or raw mango powder, finely chopped green chilies, some soft or fennel seeds, gram flour, rice flour and salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients properly. The corn mixture is ready and I've also kept some oil to heat, and I'm going to spoon 2 tablespoons of oil and add it into this mixture. Mix it with a spoon. I'm just going to make rough round balls of it. These are ready to fry. Drop them in the hot oil. Reduce the flame and let them fry slowly so they cook from inside as well. Let's get the ones out which have got color. Another monsoon dish to add to your recipe book, but if it's not raining in your part of the world, just enjoy them over a cup of coffee. So do try them, comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.